Hey there, folks. We're diving into a topic today that's been making headlines lately, and I'm talking about the intersection of AI, music, and the job market. So, from Drake using AI versions of Tupac and Snoop Dogg in a recent song to the concerns of job seekers about AI's impact on their careers, I know it's a hot topic that we definitely need to discuss. So let's start with Drake. In his recent song featuring AI generated versions of Tupac and Snoop Dogg, it has sparked a lot of discussion about the use of AI in the music industry. And while it's fascinating to see the capabilities of AI, it also raises so many questions about the future of creativity and even artistry. Now, I'm going to shift gears to the job market. With AI becoming increasingly sophisticated, many people are worried about what it means for their careers. But I wouldn't worry too much about that because I've got 3 tips to help you stay ahead of the AI expansion. Let's hop right into it. First up, embracing lifelong learning. In today's fast paced world, it's crucial to continuously update your skills and knowledge. So, whether it's taking online courses, attending workshops, or reading industry publications, never ever stop learning. How about considering signing up for online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning? Alternatively, you could explore classes offered at your local college or university, but by adding new skills to your value statement and even your resume, it can open up an exciting range of career opportunities for you. So it is crucial to be deliberate about your learning journey. I would also say when choosing what to learn, think about blending your personal passions with skills that are in high demand in the job market. This could involve mastering a new programming language, even delving into data analysis, or honing your project management abilities. I would say by combining what you love with skills that are sought after by employers, you will only, I should say, enjoy the learning process more and more, but also increase your professional value. So now let's talk about AI. With advancements in artificial intelligence shaping various industries, it is so essential to stay ahead of the curve. So consider exploring AI related courses and even training programs, as they offer valuable insights into emerging technologies and their applications. And whether it's machine learning, natural language processing, or computer vision, there is a wealth of AI skills waiting to be acquired. Personally, I'd also urge you not to hesitate to dive into the world of AI. It's a field full of innovation and opportunity. And who knows, at this point, you might just discover a newfound passion and feel inspired, to pursue exciting career paths in this rapidly evolving landscape. By staying proactive about your learning, you'll not only stay relevant in your current role, but also position yourself for future opportunities. Developing your soft skills begins with self reflection and assessment, and that's to really pinpoint areas for improvement. Once you've identified your goals, consider exploring resources such as articles and books focused on soft skill development. And additionally, seeking guidance from a mentor or working with a career coach can provide valuable support and insight tailored to your needs. I would say embracing leadership opportunities within your organization or a community is another effective way to hone your soft skills in a real world, scenario. Ultimately, taking a proactive approach and leveraging various resources will empower you to enhance your communication, teamwork, and leadership abilities. I'd say contributing to your overall professional growth and even success. Last but not least, don't be afraid to adapt and innovate. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, see it as an opportunity to streamline processes and drive innovation in your field. I'd stay curious, explore new technologies, and look for ways to integrate AI into your work to enhance efficiency and even productivity. So, there you have it. 3 tips to help you stay ahead of the AI expansion. Whether you are a music enthusiast, fascinated by AI generated artists, or a job seeker concerned about your career, remember that knowledge and adaptability are your greatest assets. All right, my friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You'll receive more content on technology, career advice, and everything in between. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.